Not every day that you get to open up a new hospital, and this has been just the most amazing experience in my career. I can't imagine doing anything else at this point in time. I've run a lot of tests and a lot of other things in getting phase 2 in the surgical suites up online. And it's a continuation of ensuring that once we open that there's no surprises. We've learned a lot about our building in the last year. We've been challenged a fair amount and you know, bringing in a staff and orienting them to the building and getting them to the level that we need them to has been probably my biggest challenge. This is a very beautiful building. It's a very high-tech building, but it's not the current healthcare system. That is the Queen Elizabeth. You know, always having that approach that we are going to support the patients first, regardless where they are, and that we continue to create an infrastructure so that people can get healthy. Femini has a big part in making sure that you know, you get the treatment that you need, and that's what we focus on.